November's boxes shipped 2 days ago. It's now Friday and I am ready to show you what went inside November's SewHayleyJane boxes. This is an empty box just for staging purposes, but I have the classic box here and the luxury box here to show you. So we had so much fun earlier this week packing up the boxes. There was 4 of us in the studio over 2 days, packing everything up. Obviously all the fabrics were cut beforehand last week, so everything was ready to go. And yes, oh, I love these boxes. They are just amazing. So let's dive in and show you. So the boxes come all beautifully wrapped up in our yellow tissue paper, and every box has a theme each month. This month's theme, I have called it Raw. So it is a box that Katy Perry would be very proud of. We have animal prints galore. Every box comes with my little magazine, which is chock full of sewing inspiration. We have a little introduction with QR codes to the 3 different fabrics that are included in this month's boxes, and take a picture of those QR codes and it will take you straight over to the Stash Hub, and everything is all ready in your Stash Hub app. Nice and easy. So easy, I love that. We have an interview with Fabric Godmother, which gives you a hint as to what went into the luxury box. We have a couple of different articles. We have a make of the month. This month was Kelly, who used this really beautiful viscose jersey, which has like a marble print from last month, and made the Wonder Wrap dress. 3 boxes, 3 makes. So every month I send the fabrics to Laura, Esther and Gemma. They make something and then write about it in the magazine. So those will be up on the blog over the next month. And then really excitingly, Tamlin, who used to do the fat quarter tutorials, now does a couple of different articles, and this month she's done a history of leopard print, which is really awesome. I love that. Then yeah, we've got lots of other amazing things in the magazine. I'm so proud. Every month this magazine just makes me so happy. Right, let's put that down there and let's dive into the boxes. So the luxury box, it's beautiful. Let me hold it up so that you can see. Ta-da! Isn't it so pretty? So there is a sweet treat that goes into the boxes every month, but there aren't any left to show you. So I went for Cadbury's chocolate Freddos with like the animal theme. That's what I thought would be really lovely. But yeah, somehow all the spares have disappeared. I'm not naming any names.
I'm not even sorry.
It was me too. So the reason I went for the theme this month was because I saw the gorgeous new fabrics from Fabric Godmother, and it was a really tough choice. There was fabrics that I could have gone for November. There was something that would have been perfect for December. I could have easily chosen a fabric for every month over the next few months, but I went for the one in this box, so I'll show you that in a minute. First of all though, we have thread, 100 meter reel of Gutermann Sew All thread, and every box also has 2 meters of grosgrain ribbon in leopard print. So one was white and the other was a pink colour. There is an article in the magazine as well with my 5 top ways of using ribbon in dressmaking. So we've got things like stabilising the shoulder seam when you're sewing with a knit fabric, making a hanging loop, adding an extra decorative touch to your hems, things like that. So let me know in the comments if you have any other nifty ways of using ribbon in your dressmaking. I would love to know. Let's pop that there. Then I wanted some, it was really hard. I tried finding different things that would go in the boxes as a little gift, but eventually I stumbled upon, thanks to Etsy, Lucy Says I Do, which is a stationery and sort of wedding stationery business as well. And I found these little A6 notepads that says I love a list, and there were 4 different animal prints which went into the boxes, and they are just perfect. I absolutely love these little list pads. Perfect for writing down a list of what you need for your next sewing project before you go shopping. Or I also thought you could write down any alterations you make to your pattern, and then you can take that off and pop it in the pattern envelope as well. I thought that would be a really good idea too. So yeah, little list in the classic and luxury boxes. Then the pattern this month is the Annie dress and top from Atelier Scammit. These pattern envelopes are just gorgeous. Look at this. You ready? It's got a little bit of Velcro. Isn't that beautiful? You've got a little spot for notes. Then that opens up as well. That's just lovely. So you can take that out and add that to your notes and things. You've got the pattern. It's just the prettiest pattern envelope I think I've ever seen. Oh, I don't know actually. There are a few out there. But they also have a little video, accompanying video that you can watch as well for any tips and tricks for sewing the dress or the top. So yeah, beautiful. Now, as you know, a couple of months ago, we removed the fat quarters from the boxes and replaced the fat quarters with an extra length of a different fabric to complement the theme of the boxes. Sometimes it will be cotton or quilting cotton, but this month we have a viscose. So the classic and luxury boxes now get, or this month got 1 meter of this monochrome black and white giraffe print viscose, which is just stunning. The quality is just beautiful. So yeah, it's a giraffe print. I think more giraffe than Dalmatian, even though it's black and white. I think it's more of a giraffe print than a Dalmatian print. I absolutely love it. So you get 1 meter in the classic and the luxury boxes. The mini boxes now get 1.5 meters of the main fabric, which I will show you what went in there in a minute. I love this, and I think you can easily, it's quite wide, so you could make like a little floaty cami top or pajama shorts or shorts. Doesn't have to be pajama shorts. But also because it's monochrome, it makes it really easy to color block as well. You can either color block black or white, or you can add some other colors in it as well, and I think that would look gorgeous. Gemma made a shirt and she did a black collar and a black yoke, just a plain black viscose, so absolutely stunning. Oh, I love it. Okay, the fabric godmother, let me put this down. Fabric is called Like a Zebra in nutmeg and cobalt, and it is a viscose jacquard. Oh my goodness me. I hope the colours are picking up. We took photos of the boxes yesterday, and this colour was really hard to get right on the camera. Oh, it's just so pretty. It's got such a lightweight, silky feel. And the jacquard as well, it's got these little, like, I don't know if you can see them, these little satin spots that just catch the light, and it just gives a real shimmery effect to it. It is just absolutely stunning. Laura had this fabric this month, and she made 2 things. She made the Winslow culottes, and then she made, I can't remember what it's called, but it's a Helen's Closet Gilbert top, the Gilbert shirt, so that she can pair them together to make a faux jumpsuit or wear them separately for 3 completely different looks. And it's stunning, so I can't wait to show you that. This is just beautiful. I've got some of this washed and ready to cut. Yeah, it's just dreamy, so dreamy. I love it so much. So that is the luxury box. Pop that down there. And then the classic and mini boxes are just here. Da-da-da. So we have, again, the viscose in the classic box. We have, this is a different version of the notepad with like a pink leopard print instead. And the other colorway of the ribbon. which is pink with brown leopard print as well. Just lovely, lovely, lovely. The magazine thread. So there were 2 different colorways of the main fabric in the classic and mini boxes. There was this beautiful tealy blue, and then there's another one here, so I'll show you that in a minute. So pop that down. The fabric is a cotton poplin, and it's a leopard print, but it's a really, really delicate leopard print. So we've got teal and we've got pink. This is a real pinky colour. Hopefully you can see it's a really like dainty, small scale leopard print, and because it's just 2 colours, it's just black on the pink or on the teal, I think it's quite a delicate print as leopard print goes. Leopard print can be quite bold and quite in your face, and not everyone is comfortable wearing such a bold print. But I think on this kind of fabric, it's really subtle, but a little bit fun as well. And I love it. So Esther made a real classic style shirt from the pink fabric. I am actually going to use this because I have offered, I think I mentioned it in an earlier video, I am teaching some of the school mums at my daughter's school how to sew a pair of pajamas. So I'm going to use this fabric to make a example pair to show them. And I will wear these all the time. Love it. I'm making the Billy, Tilly in the buttons. No, not Billy. No, what's it called? Jamie pajamas. Yeah, and I'm going to show them. So we're going next week. They've cut out their pieces, and then next week we are going to sew them up. So I'm going to show them different ways of finishing their seams, which is really exciting because some of them have never sewn anything ever before. So it's really, really cool. I'm loving it. So yes, mini boxes, like I said, got 1.5 meters. The classic boxes get 2.5 meters. So lots of fabric to play with. And yeah, really, really stunning fabrics this month. So that is November's boxes. You can see because of the sort of jungle theme, I've got some leaves going on, leaves going on behind me. I am wearing a Tilly in the Buttons Billy top, which I actually made into a dress just by adding a gathered skirt to the waist. One thing I did want to mention, so we are now open for new subscribers who will get their first box in December. I have the sample fabrics. They are just gorgeous. I'm really, really excited about what's coming up in December. So you can now head over to the main website to subscribe. But we are also doing Christmas gift subscription boxes. So you can buy it yourself, or you can send it a link to your loved ones and say, if you're not sure what to get me. We are selling 3-month Christmas gift subscriptions. So sign up in November. The first box will go out on the 8th of December, so it will be received in plenty of time to get wrapped up and put under the tree. And then you'll also receive January and February's boxes. They are a complete surprise every month. So it's a really great way of sort of stretching your skills, trying out new fabrics, things that you might not normally pick for yourself, but actually you will end up loving them. So head over to the outlet shop to take a look at the Christmas gift subscription boxes as well. Thank you so much everyone for watching. I hope you have a beautiful day, and I cannot wait to come back next week. I have some exciting videos planned for the next couple of weeks, a bit of Christmassy sewing, planning, makes and things like that. So yeah, come back for that. Have a lovely day everyone, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.